starting off with the first phone case, which is going to be a collage phone case. The materials that you'll be needing will be a clear phone case, some clip art collage, and scissors. So to start off, just go ahead and collect your clip art. Basically just pick anything that you like or explains your personality. I just chose a couple of memes and sayings here and there from my favorite shows. Then just go ahead and grab your sheet of paper that you've printed out and then just cut it out into little pieces. I just added a little white border around everything. And then just go ahead and grab your phone, and then I'm just wiping it down a little bit, and then just place the little clip art pieces wherever you'd like to. Put your clear phone case on top and you're done. For the second phone case, which is going to be a meme phone case, the materials that you'll be needing will be a clear phone case, some meme clip art, and scissors. And doing the same thing that you did earlier, just go ahead and search up your favorite meme, copy and paste it into a Google Doc so that you can print it out. And then just cut out your meme like so, and then place it onto your phone, and then place your clear phone case on top, and you're done. And last but not least is the Polaroid phone case. So all the materials that you'll be needing for this will just be a clear phone case and a Polaroid or a picture of your choice, and just cut like a border like a Polaroid around it to make it look like a Polaroid. And then all you have to do is just go ahead and grab your Polaroid and put it on top of your phone, and then sandwich it between the clear phone case, and you're done.